this way. The setup. Yeah, and then you have like the capital distance course. The entrance fee that they were saying about the connection there. For now, you have access to it. So when you use it after 3 months and you enjoy the service, then will be required to pay entrance fees. It's not going to be free. As you have seen, the center will need to keep it running. If it's going to be free, that means that today it will collapse. That's when after we finish this work, it will collapse. Because you can imagine the people that will be working here, they need to be paid. The receipt that we have, we need to pay for it. And the service that we all this wish to get, this as internet there, we need to make sure that we keep contact with them. And that one has to what? Come from you people. So that is whatever the whole thing. And then with we shall get some technical people that will support us. People from this in the northern Ghana Wireless Group. They are there to support in case we find ourselves in a situation that we cannot solve ourselves. So we fall on them. So let's move on to the next. Yeah, now the services, what this center will already be doing. So you can see that we will have internet browsing and service provision. The internet browsing, you can come here, you have your voucher, you enter, you can browse. And the service provision is that we are now extending it to other areas so that at your own leisure time, you know, let's say to come to the center and have access to it. You can just stay at your office whilst making your browsing. So that is the first service that, and then don't worry, that's just enjoying with the wireless web network connection. That one has to do with the two, I download it in the same day. And then advice on ICT pages. We are not interested in ICT to people. Now, on how are you going to go about it? You need to listen, buy some equipment there. And if you don't have the idea of the equipment you're going to use, we are there to provide you that service. So that you're not going to buy any wrong equipment, you bring it down, it will not give you the service that you intend to use it for. And then maintenance and troubleshooting, these are the services. Like if you have connected and then you have a problem with your network, we'll come and then try to see how we can refresh it and then make it set for you to use. Computer software and hardware training. But it's not just that about the internet that you're going to use. You need to be trained. If you don't know how to use a computer and you can't have access to the internet, you waste a lot of money. Because you don't know how really you're going to search for specific information. So there's a need for us to develop our knowledge in the software so that in using the internet, it will be very easy for us. And then the hardware training, that is if the computer should go down, who should access it and then come up with the fault, and at the end of it, find a solution to it. So that's, and then we also have secretarial services. That one will do with that, typing and printing. It is cards, invitation cards and the rest. That one will fall under that secretarial service. The scanning, if you have a document or image that you want to make a soft copy of it, we are ready to do that one for you. But not as free, but for a fee. Don't stress that. And then photocopy. Yeah, we're running photocopy here. So, and then the conference facilities. The conference facility, we're going to look what is maybe one of these rooms. That will be a conference center. If you have your meeting, you can just come and rent here and then have your meetings and other things. And then we have a lot of service like this, the video coverage and editing. When you're having some occasion, you can just come and take a video, come and edit it for you, and then we'll put it in the CD for you, so that in a way of this reference. So there's lots more services out there, but this is just what, because of time, I didn't want to, burden you with so much information here. That's why I just gave her these few ones. So let's move on to the next.